Nilikuwa nakula mkate na maziwa. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vicky Mugambi, and please, the only reason I am in the middle or in the beginning of a house hunting video is just to remind you to subscribe. Nothing else. Imagine nimekuwa kwa hizi streets za YouTube so long, hadi nasikia aibu. In fact, some of the people who started after I did, they are now at 500k. What prayer do I need to pray? Imagine me bado niko 400 subscribers. Well, people have 400k and they began juicy. What do I have to do? Do I have to cry? Subscribe and then tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. You know, in this channel is the only channel in the country that will tell you how to get gigs commercial modeling. Hakuna channel ingine. There's no commercial model. All those people you see on TV, they will not tell you how they got it. So it's only on this channel. But you're not supporting me well enough to give you even more information on commercial modeling. So what we need to do is subscribe, then tell a friend to subscribe. As in, sasa hizi nimeanza petition. So just nipendi, tutaka mnipendi. Ni kama kuomba kura. Mheshimiwa babako. Okay, please subscribe, enjoy this video. The next house we are going to is still in Nasra Estate. I did a few videos in Nasra Estate. Nasra is within Komarok ward of Nairobi, Embakasi Central, which is just right next to Umoja. In fact, it's walking distance to Umoja, walking right across to a new estate called hapo Shujaa Mall kunaitwa Sosian iko na Shujaa Mall. So yes, so these houses you can actually go do your shopping in Shujaa Mall and come back. Hata kama najua mwenye Shujaa Mall, hajanilipa ku advertise Shujaa Mall, but thank you. Please guys, subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you.